Could there have been a real undiscovered animal behind the legend of the Orang Ikan? The villagers certainly believe so. This may well be a classic example of ethno-known, species familiar to indigenous communities but utterly alien to outsiders. And while skeptics might be tempted to dismiss the sightings as hallucinations brought on by stress or isolation, the consistency of the descriptions suggests something more tangible. Some have proposed that dugongs or manatees as likely culprits. These gentle marine mammals were once common throughout the Indo-Pacific and have long been associated with mermaid legends. But the orangutan, with its humanoid limbs, webbed digits and grotesque face, bears little resemblance to the dugong. Even the villagers, well acquainted with local marine life, made a clear distinction between the two. Interestingly, the orangutan shares features with other aquatic humanoid cryptids. The Thetis lake monster, reported in 1972 on Vancouver Island. The pugwis of Pacific Northwest indigenous lore both exhibit similar traits: spiny crests, webbed extremities, and a blend of ape and fish characteristics. Could these beings be regional variations of a single unknown species? One theory suggests that these creatures might be remnants of an undiscovered aquatic or semi-aquatic primate lineage, perhaps a distant cousin of humanity that adapted to life in the water. If so, their anatomy would likely diverge from the romanticized mermaid archetype, favouring a more functional amphibious form. Other cryptids, like the Loveland frog of Ohio or Japan's kappa, also echo this theme: humanoid yet aquatic, unsettling yet oddly familiar. Could the orangutan be part of this global pattern? Then there's a tantalising possibility rooted in paleoanthropology, the discovery of Homo floresiensis, the so-called hobbit hominid, on the nearby island of Flores, suggests that small, previously unknown human relatives once roamed Indonesia. Could a related population have reached the K Islands and over millennia adopted a coastal or even aquatic existence? Island dwarfism, a well-documented evolutionary response to limited resources, might explain their size. But what if other adaptations followed? Webbed digits, altered facial features, a semi-aquatic lifestyle. In such an isolated environment, evolution could have taken a strange and unexpected turn. Could the orangutan be an aquatic echo of Homo floresiensis? Or
Yes.
are they something else entirely? An undiscovered species, a cultural myth with a kernel of truth, or a case of mistaken identity amplified by the fear of wonder?
No.
Whatever the answer, the mystery of the orangutan still lingers.